what the difference is in these. Here's one. Looks gray. I don't know if you can see the color. I'm not sure you can see the color in here. This one looks blue. I don't know if it's a right or a left. It's got a tiny little crack there. I guess you can see that little crack. I'm looking for other flaws. Focusing on this one because this one looks more blue than the other one. Hell, I don't know. Oh, let's try to turn the, see if that helps any. Hell no, that does not help. I'll turn that back off. Okay, again, this is the gray one. It looks like it's in a little better shape. I think this was off my truck. I think both of them were off my truck. I think I got newer ones. Because I had a gray and a blue, which I thought was odd. So I just got a set. But they're obviously different, off different product or different models maybe. I don't know. If either one of these look like something you're interested in, just let me know, gray or blue.